Hey guys, we're playing a burp, whistle, blow relay race game. It'll be the boys versus the girls, and it will be time trial. So, how to play. The first person from your team is going to run off stage through the obstacle course. Then they're going to run back on stage, go open up the can of pop, chug it until they burp. Then she's going to come, tag the next contestant. They're going to run off stage, come up, eat the crackers, until you can whistle. Take the next player. They're going to run around, run back up on stage, grab a piece of gum, as soon as they blow the bubble and it pops, their time is finished.